How much was your electric bill last month?
$200.
Almost $350, $400.
Did you know over the past 20 years, residential electric rates have gone up over 50%?
At the rate it was going, it was just outrageous.
Now you have a choice that's good for your wallet and the environment. With an NRG home solar installation, you could save money every month and lock in your electricity rate for the next 20 years.
Our bill has been down by 25% already.
Our parent company, NRG Energy, is a Fortune 500 company providing power to millions. Now you get that level of dependability with an NRG home solar installation. There are no starting costs. Installation is free. And if you call right now, you'll receive your first 60 days of solar electricity free. That's 2 full months of power free. Call 1-888-555-1212 or go to getnrghomesolar.com. That's 1-888-555-1212.